How to build a fire. How to build a fire in Sons of the Forest. So to build a fire, you must use the placement mechanic, not the crafting mat. So there are two tiers of campfires you can build. So first is the basic fire. So the requirement is one stick and a lighter. So let's try to equip a stick right here. Then once you have your stick, look at the ground and you should see this outline right there. So just click on left click to put the stick. As you can see, it should look like that. So you could immediately place a fire right there if you want. But what you could also do is place a stick right there and add another one. Then light the fire again, which lasts longer than this. And if you want something long lasting, just basically build that same fire. But now find some rocks and place it around the fire right there. Then you should now have the reinforced fire just like that. You can also make some firewood. So just basically find some logs, chop it in half, then chop it again, just like that. So it should be like 4 pieces right here. So find the log, chop it in half, and chop the short one vertically, just like this, and the other one. Then carry the firewood to the fire, then chop the short one vertically, just like this. Then equip it, then place it on the fire right here. So click on left click again, and it should look like that. And that is how I basically build the fire in Sons of the Forest.